This is Scrapbook.com, and we're in the Reminisce booth looking at a really sparkly, fun new Christmas collection, and it is called Christmas Spirit. And look at all of the beautiful sparkly designs. Now, I do want to point out these are just photographs, so there isn't actual glitter on the paper, just so you know. But this is the Christmas Spirit kit, and you get 8 12x12 papers, 2 sheets per design, and a coordinating sticker sheet. So super cool that you can get that all in one, or you can get them separately. So I'll go ahead and show you the sticker sheet. This has different arrows in plaid, different snowflakes, sayings. I really like these circle stickers, a little bit different for Reminisce. Believe in Santa Claus, Santa's mail, and kind of a vintage postal design. So really cool that they have that. Then I'm going to show you a couple papers in this line, the sparkly ones I'm talking about. So again, they're not actually glittery, it's just photos of sparkles, but I love this because it can make your Christmas layouts look totally dreamy. If you have like a Christmas light parade you went to that you want to scrapbook, the Christmas tree decorating, anything like that, these papers would work really well. And then we have the snowy one too, so it's a really pretty evergreen scene with lots of snow. Perfect for if you went out to get your tree, you could document that story here. And then these are double-sided too, so you can kind of see if you pan up the upside down image of another one with kind of a silhouette Santa, dreamy and foggy in the back. And then here we have a Christmas layout just to give you some inspiration on how you can use Reminisce's new line available at the Scrapbook.com store soon, or now, Christmas Spirit. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!